Ever wondered how a crispy chicken burger goes from raw ingredients to that irresistible final bite? Let's enter the factory and follow every step. It all begins with carefully prepared ingredients, inspected and organized before production starts. Fresh chicken fillets are portioned to a consistent size. This helps every burger cook evenly. Next, the chicken is marinated and seasoned, so the flavor can develop throughout the preparation. Meanwhile, the signature crispy coating begins with a carefully prepared, seasoned flour mixture. The marinated chicken enters the breading stage, where every surface gets a generous layer of seasoned coating. That texture is the secret to the crunch. Uneven flakes create those crispy edges that everyone loves. Now the coated fillets enter the fryer, where heat quickly transforms the soft coating into a golden crust. As the chicken cooks, the coating turns golden, crisp, and beautifully textured. Before assembly, the cooked chicken is checked for quality, consistency, and safe internal cooking. While the chicken rests, fresh burger buns are sliced and lightly toasted for the perfect base. Next comes a smooth layer of creamy sauce, carefully portioned across the toasted bun. Fresh, crisp lettuce is added next, bringing color, texture, and a refreshing contrast. Then comes the star of the burger, the hot, golden, crispy chicken fillet. The final bun closes the stack, turning individual ingredients into a complete crispy chicken burger. Once approved, burgers are packed immediately, keeping them ready for their journey to the customer. And finally, the moment everyone has been waiting for, the first bite. Crispy, creamy, fresh, and seriously satisfying.